Hello everyone, my name is Ritika Rajaram Patil and here I am presenting Internet of Things for Smart Cities. Next. These are the outline of the project. Introduction, literature survey, gap identification, problem statement and objective, proposed methodology, requirement analysis, impact analysis, result and discussion, conclusion and future scope, and references. Next. Introduction. Uh, it is an IoT based system. Smart city includes smart people, smart living, smart environment, smart governance, smart mobility, etc. The Internet of Things is a recent communication paradigm that is envision a near future. This paradigm indeed finds application in many different domains such as home automation, industrial automation, medical aids, mobile healthcare, elderly assistance, intelligent energy management, and smart grids, automotive traffic management, and many other. Second is a interaction with wide variety. Smart city includes smart people, smart living, smart environment, smart governance, smart mobility, smart environments. Next slide is literature survey. First reference is bootstrapping smart cities through a self sustainable model based on big data flows, which was in published by Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers IEEE in 2013. The main motto of this general paper is concentrating the strategic planning and management of the smart city. Second is a web IoT, a web application framework for the Internet of Things, which was in published by Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers IEEE Wireless Communication Network Conference Workshop in 2012. The main motto of this paper is database typically created and maintained by high level applications. Third reference is communication system for building automation and control, which was in published by Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers IEEE in 2005. The main motto of this reference is monitoring of the energy consumption and the solubility of environment in public building. These are the three references. Next slide is gap identification. In a identification, a city can be deemed as a smart city only when it uses technology for the betterment of the standard of living of people. The city should be able to utilize all means of communication and technology to combat future problems as well as current issues. A city that uses smart technologies, that is IoT, to improve the quality of life of the resident of the city and also a built sustainable and clean environment for the residents of the city can be termed as a smart city. Next is next slide. Next slide is problem statement and objective. Problem statement of reference paper is to develop a smart city using Internet of Things, and these are three objectives. First is a digital communication, second wide variety of devices, and third is automation. Next. Next is a proposed methodology. These are the block diagram of the smart city. In this section, we describe a practical implementation of an urban IoT named Padova Smart City that has been realized in the city of Padova. The primary goal of the Padova Smart City is to promote the early adoption of open data and ICT solutions in the public administration. The target application consists of a system for collecting environmental data and monitoring the public street lighting by means of wireless nodes equipped with different kind of sensors placed on a street light poles and connected to the internet through a gateway unit. This system shall make it possible to collect interesting environmental parameters such as a CO level, air temperature and humidity, vibration, noise, and so on. Even if this system is a simple application, number of different devices of the IoT concept, it still involves the number of different devices and link layer technologies. Next slide. Next, next is a proposed requirement analysis. This operating system is used in this IoT smart city. These are the four type of system. First is a Contiki, second is a Mantis, third is a Nano RK, and four is Light OS. In programming model in Contiki is proto-threads and events, and C language is used. Second is a Mantis. Programming model of Mantis is a threads and C language is used in this system. A third is a Nano RK. Programming model is a thread is used in this system and C language is used. Fourth is a Light OS. Programming model of this system is threads and events and Light C++ language is used. These are the four systems used in smart cities. Next slide. Impact analysis. There are positive impact and some negative impact. In positive impact, first is a more effective. Second is improved transportation. Third is efficient public utilities. And fourth is increased digital equity. And negative impact is first is a lack of public awareness, second is a infrastructure is costly, and third is a security issues. These are the positive and the negative impact. Next slide. Next is a result and discussion. These are the example of the type of data that can be collected with the Padova Smart City system. The four plots show the temperature, humidity, light, and benzene readings over a period of 7 days. Next, these lines show the actual reading while thick lines are obtained by applying a moving average filter over time windows of 1 hour. A similar pattern is exhibited by the humidity and the temperature measurement that however are much more noisy than those for light. The benzene measurement also reveal a decrease of the benzene level at night time as expected due to the lighter night traffic, but quite surprisingly there is no evident variation in the daytime benzene levels during the weekend. These readings suggest that a quick rainstorm has temporarily observed the sunlight. while producing congestion in the road traffic and in turn a peak of benzene in the air. Next, conclusion of this reference paper is first is a analyze the implementation of urban IoTs. Second is a to improve the infrastructure. Third is a smart resource management. And the future scope is first advance in technology, second is a higher security, third is a improve public utilities and services. Next, next slide is a references. These are the 10 references are used in this paper. Next, thank you.